go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. Through the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to a new value-packed video here with me, Patrick T-Boy Fredrickson. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your website super fast. So the first question in this video is, how fast is your actual website? Ask yourself right now, have you Googled this, and do you know how important it is to have an insanely fast website? Because when you Google this, you're going to find that the average load speed of a desktop, like your website, when people loading it up on a desktop, is 15 seconds in average, and on a mobile is way worse, is 31 seconds in average. That means some are, of course, very much faster, but some are way slower than that as well. So that is insanely long time. Imagine you going to a website that you have never visited before. You just semi-interested in the product you saw from Facebook or something. And when you click the ad and try to actually visit the product and read more about it, it loads for 30 seconds before you can do anything more. Would you wait for that product to load, or would you just go on with your day, forget it, and maybe click the next one to have the same product and load in 2 seconds, 1 second? And I think we both know the answer to that, and that would be, I will never wait for 31 seconds or even 20 seconds to visit a product that I'm just now seeing on Facebook and are like semi-interested in. So I want to tell you something. I want to tell you a little bit of a fun fact around the traffic and what happened with the traffic when you have a very slow website and you just saw the average. So when you run traffic to your website, you lose 50% of all your traffic after 2 seconds. After that, after 1 more seconds, you lose 50% more of that traffic. After 2 seconds more, you lose 50% more of the traffic that are left. After 3 seconds, you lose 50% more of the traffic. You understand what I mean? So every second that goes by after 2 seconds, you will lose 50% more of the traffic. And that is insanely. At least you're not going to have any traffic at all. Maybe some of you guys see that you have a lot of clicks in your Facebook, like the business manager, but you do not actually see real landing page views. Put that into your metric as well. You need link clicks, and also real landing page views. Because if you compare the two, you can see that you have insanely more clicks than actual landing page views. And that is solely because of your loading page. The page is loading insanely slow. So that is why you're losing money every single day when you're running ads, and that is why you're never going to succeed with your store if you do not pay attention to this. And if you are a guy that's running your store on like the Dawn theme or any free theme at all, any theme at all from Shopify, you have insanely slow website, and you're just among all of the others that have very slow websites. And one other fun fact I want to shoot in there, that Google knows your website speed at all times. It also knows how much uptime you have, like how many times they can visit your site with no problems. They test this every single seconds of the day at all times. So they favor pages that are insanely quick, loads in 1 second. They will organically give you placements because they want to give the visitor, the one that are searching, the one that makes you pay them money to be in front of, they want to make them happy. They do not want to make you happy as a marketer, but they want to make the consumer happy, so they keep coming back and using the platform so they can brag about how many people and how many searches they have. So you keep on giving them the marketing dollars. So keep that in mind. They will favor you if you have a very fast loading website, and also favor those that have people on their page for a longer time. That will help with blog posts and keeping them on the page. There's many ways to do that, and that is for totally not a video, but that's also some way to hack the algorithm to actually get organic views and be favored by the biggest search engine in the world, Google. So how can you fix this? How can you solve this problem? And by solving this is not by adding an app from Shopify where they crop your pictures and I don't know what they do. The app will not do anything that makes any changes to your website. And you can look up your website speed in Shopify. You just click online store. In the right tab there, you have the online store where you click it when you want to customize the theme. And you will see on top of it, you will see a number from 1 to 100, and also will tell you if your store is slower than similar or a similar speed or faster than normal. So the way to fix this is to go into the theme liquid and remove access JavaScripts, access code, and just minimize everything that do not need to be there. And to be quite honest, me myself even do not have the knowledge to do this. So we have people we work with that fix this for us, and this makes our pages insanely fast. It loads like in 1 second, 1.1 seconds, and in Google we have 90 plus on all the websites we do this with. We have 90 to 95 in score for 1 to 100, both in desktop and on mobile. And that is insanely important. So my best guess to you, if you're not a coder, not a theme developer, like you write code and stuff, to not fuck up your whole page, because if you remove something wrong, you will definitely make the page look very strange. So if you don't have this knowledge, I would recommend you to hire someone to do this for you. And big companies use hundreds of thousands of dollars to make this happen because they actually don't know how cheap they can get it done. Because if you contact me and want to make this happen, we have an offer right now to the 10 first people that contact us that have a Shopify store. It's important to have a Shopify store. We can also do this on WordPress, but WordPress and Shopify only. And then we guarantee you a 90 plus out of 100 and a 2-second loading website guaranteed, or you will get your money back. Before, we take this very easy for our customers because it's a huge value to the brand. We take normally 499 euros. But at this point, as we are in November, Black Friday and everything, we want to have the 10 first people to pay us only 179 euros. So that is an insane offer to make your website quick as fuck. And we have seen across the board an increase around 22 to 27% increase in the revenue after we have fixed the website speed. It's a huge game changer. So it's the best offer we can do right now. If you want to have that offer, you can click the link down below. You will take it to my website where you can book a 45-minute strategy call with me. Put in the description that you want to have this offer where we fix your website speed, and we will fix it within like 24 hours so we can get it done very quick. And also we will jump on the call with you for 45 minutes and give you some tips and tricks of your whole brand for free and point you in the right direction to attack the market for the rest of 2022. So it's a very good offer. We got a one-on-one training with us for 45 minutes plus a website that is insanely fast on mobile and desktop for only 179 euros. It's basically free. So if you want to have that, click the link down below. If you like the content, like me pointing out these quick fun facts that will make your brand shine more, make me know it. Leave a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe. Join the movement. And we are right now over 125 members in the Discord. It's growing insanely fast. We're going to close the group at 1,000 members in an indefinite time period. That is because we want to really put my team in there. We have a ranking system in the Discord where you go from Brokey to Trap Star to many other levels, where you at the end is going to become a kingpin. And in the levels you come, you get to unlock more perks of us helping you scale your brand, pushing ads with you. But you have to show us that you're a real one. Stay in the group, level up, and you will get to work with us and help your brand grow 100% for free. Just need to be there, be an active hustler, join the movement. We are called the Hustlers Club. and I'm looking forward to see you there. So click the link down below, many links down below, click all of them. And if you want to also make some money with your website, be sure to do this. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, find your hustle, make your money so you can do whatever the fuck you want to do in your life. Hasta luego.